Hello YouTube people, this is my first video today, so I gonna show you how to change the hour and the date in a Volvo truck. This is for the models between 2010 and 2017, so let's get started. The first thing you will do is to check with this wiper switch over here. You can see it, the wiper switch, right? And then you press this button over here, right? And once you press it, it's gonna appear this menu in here. After this, you will go down. In the same switch, there is these arrows on the side. You go up and down in the menu. So let's go to time and distance. It's pressing here, and you see right now it says 7:37 p.m. So now we're gonna press once again the same key you see here, and then you can set the hour in here. All right, once you set the hour in here, all right, you see right now it says also 7:38 p.m. in the radio too. So this applies for the radio. You can change the hour in the radio in this screen. So let's set for 5:38 p.m. right? And you see now it says 5:38 p.m. Okay, so the same goes for the date. You're always gonna do this. First you have to set the hour and the time in the evening time or morning time, and then you can change here the date. You can change here the month and the year. So that's the way you change the hour in a Volvo truck. You wanna come back to the menu, you press escape in the wiper switch, and we're going back to the main menu. So my apologize if my video is a little bit shaking, right? It's my first attempt to show you this. So let me know in the comments if you want to see something else, want me to check out something else in the Volvo trucks. I also can check out things on international trucks, especially in the newer ones, and Cascadias too. So let me know, okay? And I'll see you around. Bye.